Zinnias are the easiest and most rewarding flowers you can grow. They are bright, cheerful, and perfect for anyone who wants a colorful garden without too much work. They grow quickly, bloom generously, and continue flowering for months. Zinnias originally come from Mexico and belong to the daisy family, and the most popular species is Zinnia elegans, which has many varieties. In my garden, I grow two stunning types, California giants that produce large bold flowers with wide layered petals. Their blooms are big and eye-catching, making a strong statement in the garden. They come in bright shades of red, pink, orange, yellow, and purple. I also grow pom-pom zinnias. These are round, compact, and perfectly shaped like tiny colorful balls. And even though the flowers are smaller, they bloom in abundance and create a soft, charming display. If you are looking for the perfect table of flowers, zinnias are a beautiful choice. Their bold blooms and wide range of colors create a stunning centerpiece that feels both lively and elegant. The mix of large California giants and the small pom-poms gives the garden beautiful variety and balance. When planting zinnias, choose the right spot. Zinnias love full sun. Plant them in a place that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. The more sunlight they receive, the more flowers they produce. Zinnias prefer well-drained soil, so when you want to plant zinnias, loosen the soil and remove the weeds. Mix in some compost to enrich the soil. Once established, zinnias tolerate dry conditions quite well. I always water at the base of the plant to prevent fungal problems. Also, removing faded flowers helps the plant to produce even more blooms. Both California giants and small pom-poms bloom continuously for months. They attract butterflies and bees, making the garden lively and full of movement. They also make excellent cut flowers and last long in a vase. Zinnias are low maintenance, fast growing, and perfect for beginners. With just a little care, they reward you with months of vibrant color and beauty. You can actually make money by planting zinnias. They are easy to grow, very beautiful, and people love buying them for bouquets and table decorations. On the other hand, zinnias can also be used to make a gentle floral tea from their petals. In my next video, I will show you step by step how to make zinnia tea at home. That is all I have for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.